Ready for a change? These 20 shags will instantly transform your look. The Ultra-Volumizing Short Shag. This cut is perfect for fine hair as it creates maximum height at the crown and adds instant density. The Face-Framing Medium Shag. Ideal for women who want to soften sharp jawlines and draw attention away from fine lines around the eyes. The Pixie Shag Blend. Best suited for busy seniors looking for an edgier, modern style that takes less than 5 minutes to style. The Classic Salt and Pepper Shag. Emphasizes natural multitonal gray hair while adding structural body to limp or flat hair textures. The Wispy Bangs Shag. Excellent for concealing forehead wrinkles while creating a youthful, playful frame for the eyes. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. The Modern Wolf Cut Shag. Perfect for trendy seniors who want an edgy, fashionable look that thrives on natural wave and movement. The Curly Layered Shag. Designed to reduce bulk from thick curls while preventing the dreaded triangle head shape by distributing volume evenly. The Long Shag with Curtain Bangs. Maintains length for women who love long hair, using curtain bangs to lift the facial features upward. The Feathered Shag Bob. Blends the chic structure of a classic bob with airy feathered layers for an effortlessly lightweight feel. The Razored Shag for thin hair. Uses razor cut tips to separate fine strands, making thin hair appear twice as thick with natural texture. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. The Disconnected Shag Cut. Great for adventurous women who want a bold look with high contrast lengths that demand attention. The Soft Textured Shag. A toned-down version of the shag, giving a gentle lift and volume without looking too messy or undone. The Choppy Shag with Micro Bangs. Perfect for artistic seniors who want to highlight their brows and glasses with a bold, unique statement frame. The Shaggy Wolf Cut with Highlights. Adds visual depth to flat brown or blonde hair by combining heavy texture with sun-kissed multitonal streaks. The Collarbone Medium Length Shag. The perfect compromise length that offers enough weight for control while maintaining a bouncy, texturized lift. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. The Volume-Packed Feathered Shag. Great for seniors experiencing crown thinning, as the backward feathered motion covers sparse areas naturally. The Everyday Wash and Wear Shag. The ultimate low-maintenance look that requires zero heat styling. Just wash, shake, air dry, and go. The Heavy Layers Crown Boost Shag. Concentrates short layers right at the top of the skull to fight gravity and give heavy hair an instant lift. The Retro-Modern Textured Shag. Brings back the vintage 70s rock vibe, but refines it with modern blending for a stylishly rebellious look. The Delicate Wispy Pixie Shag. Perfect for ultra-fine gray hair. Utilizing tiny shattered layers to give the illusion of a full head of hair. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments.